Now everything is good, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Okay, so now here what we will add it now, which dependency we will add it now, guys, come on.
Admin
Admin.
client.
Admin client. Now I'm searching, right? Admin client. So see this, observe is two dependencies are there now. Come on, this one is for what, admin, and
Yes,
this one is for
Server.
server,
Server.
right? So this one I'm selecting, but just see that this is the third party, right? Third party dependency. Who is the giving? Code centering people is giving, right? Code centric people are giving. This is the not part of what our Spring Boot, right? But it's
Spring Boot.
integrated with what?
Spring Boot. Yes.
Now okay. Okay, so now our what microservices endpoint is ready. Just we need to add that dependency inside that one only, right? So now let's work on this area now, guys. Okay, now let's work on this area now. Everyone is ready to working in this area now? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Now
Yes,
let's
Ravi.
work on this area now, guys. Okay, coding is nothing inside that admin. Don't worry, right? Now new. Okay. Hey, where that project creation? 1 minute. Okay, Project Explorer is there, right? Preferences, that one is removed. 1 minute. Project Explorer only, right? This is already there. Where that? Why I'm not getting this one? It's a different, right? Okay, no issue. Spring Starter. Select his search here. Spring Starter, right? Right, new.
Yes, Ravi.
And here, what is that? Let's give the name as what? Let's give our what? Spring Boot admin server, right? Spring Boot admin server. Spring Boot admin server. Next, here what we will select? Admin server. In this time, which dependency we will select? Admin server, right?
Server.
Next,
Yes, Ravi.
finish. How long is checking here? Yeah. Okay, good. So inside this one, right? We added admin dependency now. Inside that, come inside that what? Main method, right? Main method. Uh, this one, right? Open this main method. Now here what we will do it now? We will add what? We will add what? At the rate enable what? At the rate enable what? Admin server. Enable what? Admin server, right? And let's give what? Some port number, right? Let's give what? Some port number. So just I'm opening the property. inside this property server dot port, right? Server dot port, just I'm giving what? 7575 port number I given, right? 7575. Now just I'm running this one I'm running now, guys. Okay, just this one I'm running now. Right, run as what? Spring Boot. Okay, now come to browser. Now close this one, all those things, just close it. So what is the port number we took? 7575, right? Yes.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
here just what we will do it now, 75. Let's take 7575. Now see, Spring Boot admin, we got it now, guys. Come on, come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
Ravi.
is the admin.
Got
Still
it.
our
Yes, Ravi.
microservices, still our microservices is not running, guys. Okay, real time we are checking like this. This is the programmer facility. This one end user responsibility is not. This additional services will use what? Programmer only to check our application health. Means what? Information. So still there is no microservices is running, right? Come on. There is a no
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
instance.
sir.
There is a no instance. Setup up. Don't worry, bother about. This one is up means what? This status is not. Don't bother about, right? Nothing is visual, right? Here, nothing is visualing, na. Come on.
Yes, yes.
Now here
Mm.
application and all those things is there, na. Application and all those things is there. Don't bother about. But what is that we need to want? We need to check what is that our what? Our application is running perfectly. Our application helps. We need to check all those things. Now in this time, what we will do it now? Come inside our microservices application. Already we added admin client now in this project. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Now open
Yes.
now open our what? Now open our what? Application property. Inside that we need to add one key, right? I said that, right? I said at the time of explanation what I said. Now what I said, now we need to add this what? This key, na. Then it's
You are
working. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
okay.
So now what I'm going to do now, I'm adding that key only. So spring dot boot dot admin dot
Admin
what?
client,
Client URL, right?
you are.
Client admin client, what is that? URL, right? Dot URL. Yeah, URL, last one, right? URL. Inside that what we will do it now? Inside that what we will do it now? Come on the browser, right? Based on this one only we selected now. Just copy this URL, copy this one, and come here and just paste it. Clear, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Right? Now what we
Yes,
will
Ravi.
do it
Clear.
Yes,
now,
sir.
run our application, right? Now open the starter class, right? Now this is the starter actuate microservices starter, na. Run our microservices, run it. Now come to browser, just refresh it. Oh, already it came. How many application is running? It's showing or
Already
not?
good.
Huh? How many object is created about our
Yes, Ravi.
project?
Yes, sir.
Application.
Come on, yaar. It's working
One
perfectly.
object.
Huh?
Yes, Ravi. One.
Instance means what?
Yeah,
Object
yeah.
only, right?
Yes,
Yes, Ravi.
Ravi.
One.
Project means what? One project only
Yes,
running
Ravi.
now.
Yeah.
And now, okay, don't click on the what? Spring Boot application. Just downside our application has code is there, right? Our project has code. Click on that. Now, okay, why this one is giving? 1 minute. http :// localhost 9595, right? Hey, 7575. 7575, right? Spring Boot application, and this is okay. Now click on, yes, click on Spring Boot application, right? Downside, see this. Don't click on what HTTP desktop. This is this. You will reach our inside our application. Click here. Now just check it. What is that? Now information info. Check about our application info. What is that? Title RK. We are checking info. Clicking on the URL now. Anybody remember that? How we are clicking checking
Yes,
now?
Ravi.
Huh?
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi. These are the details we provide.
We are getting these details, guys. Okay, in the property we wrote, see this details we are getting, right? In what? Admin server. Come on, yaar. On the browser. This is
Yes,
the
Ravi.
information we are getting, our information about our project or not. Come on.
Mhm. Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
We are
yes,
getting the
Ravi.
same.
Now startup, right? Startup at what time? And health, right? Health is what? Health, right? Health is what? Instance is up now. What is that?
Yes, Ravi.
Come on, yaar.
Running up.
Process, right? Process.
Application is
This is the process. Garbage collector counts, right? This is the garbage collector count, and this is the threads. Threads is running live threads, demand thread, Spark live. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
Now
yes, Ravi.
see heap memory, right? He's showing what is that, how much heap memory is used. 65 into 7 used, and a total size 210 MB and 210 MB, and the maximum can use what, 212 GB, right? Somewhere
Yes,
noise
Ravi.
Yes,
is,
Ravi.
somewhere noise is happening. Somewhere noise is happening. Somewhere noise is happening. Kumar, please mute yourself. One minute. I'll mute. I'll be mute now. Okay. From Kumar, serious discussion is going on. Don't disturb the session. Otherwise, I will remove. This is the warning, right? This is the warning. If you don't want, don't stay in the session. Leave the session. Right? Okay, so now heap size, right? Heap size, what is the heap size our project is taking? These are the information, guys. Okay, these are the information. Now if anybody want, now matrix means what? Matrix means what? Don't worry, matrix we will check it, right? I will show that what is the use of. So even we can make the request like this also. http:// local host, right? So now I'm making the request to our microservices, right? Port number 9090, right? Port number is what? 9090, local host. Port number 9090 I'm taking, right? Port number 9090. And what is that controller label? What we took the controller label URI? EMP and the data, right? EMP and the data /EMP/ what?
Yes, Ravi.
/data. Now hit it. One method is executed now. Come on, this method is executed now, guys, in our REST controller. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Now
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi.
come here,
Yes, Ravi.
right? Come here, right? Come here. So matrix, right? Matrix. Now request, right? HTTP server request count, right? Server request count ID. No, 1 minute. Why this one is not giving? 1 minute. Logger details, request details we will get here. Here request, how many requests we are making, those request counting is game, right? 1 minute. JVM buffer, server request. It's a change, this one also, because previously it's showing that it request. How many requests? One,
Can,
two,
can
three,
you
four.
add matrix? Add
Sorry.
matrix below. Yeah, with server request, add matrix. Button was there below.
Where?
Down, Ravi.
Yes, yes, yes. Correct, correct,
Yeah, here it is.
correct, correct. 800. This is the add matrix request, right? Counting.
Uh,
No
above
tax.
we can give options like we, whatever required we can filter those things
This
like
one only we need to
success alone or
get method exception no, right? Exception none. URL my data, right? Yeah. Success and status 200. Now add it. Yes. Now see this, how many time we made the request now, guys? 6 time, right? 1 minute. You want to see that? 1 minute.
Yeah,
I'm refreshing now. I'm refreshing. See this? 1, 2, 2 time I made now 6 to 8, right?
Eight.
It will become. See, Miss, how many requests it will become? Come on, yaar.
Eight.
How
Eight.
many request
Yes,
is
Ravi. Now it's
Ravi.
now I'm refreshing
eight.
multiple time. Come
Ravi.
here. 40 time
Nine.
it will become, right? How many requests will come?
Yes,
Yes,
Those many times, right?
15 Ravi.
Now if
Yes,
here,
sir.
what is that?
Got it.
Beans you want,
Beans.
now singleton beans. Now you want to see that our like what our REST controller object is created on. This is the employee controller na. We will get here, copy this one, just I'm directly. Now I'm filtering. Now see this here, it's showing or not. Employee controller is what? Singleton. This is the singleton employee
Yes.
controller. Come on. And what is the package we
Yes,
yes,
took?
Ravi.
com.rk employee controller. Yeah, our practical is.
Controller.
Now this is the reality or not, guys? Like that what we are implementing and we are checking our application information in the real time. This is the actuator.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
sir. Got it.
yeah
how
yes
how
sir.
Ravi.
how is our discussion now, guys? How is our discussion
Yes,
now
nice, Ravi.
about what?
Excellent,
Actuator?
Ravi. Excellent,
Not
excellent,
excellent,
Ravi.
guys, you
For
guys are.
server, we create one project, and after that, in all the microservices, we have to add that URL.
Yes, just we all
Yes,
the microservices we need to add what is that admin client dependency plus what that
admin
URL.
client dependent.
Now if one more project is there now, one more project is there. So here what in the application, it's not working. No issue, we will make a admin, sorry, http:// localhost 95 we took na. Yeah,
7575
okay, 7575, no issue.
it's for admin server, right?
Yeah,
757
7575. Okay, now so here what, here like what, this is you get what one project na. If another microservices is there, again you will get here also one more like this.
More.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Because here
Yes,
we
yes,
are checking
clear.
only one microservices na. How many microservices you will get, and here what, then here counting number, application counting number you will get 2, and instance also you will get 2. Clear?
Yes, got
But
it.
here
Yes,
only
Ravi.
one microservices is running now. Because of that we are getting instance also one, and what is that, application project also one.
This is one.
Now guys, everyone is
Yes, yes, sir.
confident in actuator.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi.
yeah right.
Guys, so much analysis is there. Because of that I made the subject this much easy. Okay, just assume that how I'm presenting the
Yes, sir.
subject in front of you guys. Okay, how much I'm doing the effort in Java and technology. Just you guys don't know my effort, right? If easily the people are getting, I don't know why the people are not taking the serious this subject. This subject will give you what? Food, guys. Okay, everyone will give food. Not today, tomorrow definitely the people will follow, because this is the trending subject in the market. And I like that, if anybody is what
Yes,
giving the
sir.
knowledge, means what, that is the ultimate knowledge. I know the birth of this subject, guys. Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
I'm eating the food
Yes,
of
Ravi.
what? This subject only. I'm eating the food of what? About on the this subject only. In industry, I'm doing work on this. I know the worth of this subject. And I'm not compromising single things also in what microservices, guys. See this compared to other model. If you guys are comparing my microservices subject, that is the ultimate discussion and a different discussion.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
So the now guys, so our next discussion